Hello everyone, I'm going to explain about how Schoology can be used as an online collaborative learning tool. So let's start with the options that we have in Schoology. Schoology, from the top part from left, you can find courses, and as much as you want, you can add different types and any courses. So you can create one course one after the other. For different units you can have different courses, and then you can share the course with your students. Let's see how it works. So for example, here I have created one course, and once I am creating the course, then you have the option to add the materials. You can have any types of materials over here, like add assignments, test or quiz, add file link, and page, and any of those kind of things, which are so many options, and it really gives you enough different possibilities for having online collaboration. For example, if you have already added as a folder, and let's see, for example, this one, energy. Once you click on this energy, you can have different types of materials inside that course or inside that folder. You can have a PDF file, PDF version of whatever you have as an explanation. As you can see, I have added like critical thinking. If I click on critical thinking, that's the beauty of the Schoology for the online collaboration. This is one of those things that you can do. And because this critical thinking is that you put your file over here, and then you say that, hey, you are gonna come here and start to write your comments regarding this topic, which is energy, and then this is how it starts to view immediately using the inside the Schoology PDF file creator. PDF file reader. So that's what you see. The critical thinking as a task is inside the text that you have, and you just put that page, and then you ask them come over here and start to discuss in this part. If I go back, this critical thinking can be added as add discussion. You see, this is the add discussion. This is one of my favorite for adding as the online collaboration. This online collaboration based on adding discussion can be done inside the class, or can be done once they are not in the class, and it's like a discussion forum. Another thing that you can use in Schoology for this online collaboration is you can add assignment, and then you can create the assignment and ask them to submit their assignment. And this is another way that you can do the collaboration by putting the assignment and ask them to submit as a group. That's another way that they can work together and then submit their assignment. And then we can have the check on their assignment once they have submitted, and put all together to reach to a conclusion at the end. Schoology can be used for all the grades. There is no limitation for that, but depends on the student's ability to submit their work. It is mostly for like middle school and high school. That's what I have seen based on the platform and the capabilities. There are so many options over here, like badges. You can simply give them badges if they do their work, and these are the things that you can have. for any of them to motivate them. And this is what, according to the assignment, it was asked about the grades in which the grades of the online collaborative tool. We have to discuss about that, if we can do that or not. So let's come back again to see what are the requirements for this assignment. For this activity, I have to explain what is the grade band. If this Schoology can be used, yes, it can be used for elementary, secondary school, and even preschool. The subject area, that would be for any purpose, for any subject that can be used, and that would be possible. There's no limitation for that. And the purpose, description, and scope of the use. Of course, the purpose of the Schoology is having the different courses, is having a lot of information that you can have inside your platform. You can have the grade system, you can have the grade book, you can set up the grades, and you can take the attendance, you can have the members. And the most easy part is just each course has its own access code, and the students just need to write down the access code over here, and then that's all. And once again, if I go back to show my courses, these courses even can be used for any purpose and any reason, like for different levels. For example, this course is for DP1 students, which is grade 11, and the previous one that I showed you was a course for the grade 10. And you can have different folders for different purposes. You can have, like here, past papers, you can have guidance, you can have everything with different folders, with different reasons, discussions, assignments, and everything that can support whatever you need. Okay, let's go to another tab, which after courses is groups. This is one of the most important collaborative learning in the Schoology, by making groups. Once you have the groups, you can have the access to different or international groups. For example, it's amazing. It looks like that it works for you like Twitter, it works for you like Facebook, it works for you like any famous platform, but with more specific subjects and area that you would like to join. For example, I have already joined the science group. I have already joined the differentiated instruction. So I searched and I checked, and anything the most related topic that I love, I can join as a group. So this is another way of online collaboration or online collaborative tool, like flipped classroom, blended learning, higher education, international baccalaureate in IB. So anything that can help, and if you are interested, you can join to that group, and you can have the conversation inside the group. And this is what you can join to the online international groups. This is one side of this, okay, and it looks like a Facebook. Definitely, as you can see, teachers are coming here and post their own information or whatever they have, as giving you the advice, giving you the information, introducing something to you. That's very nice, very nice. And then another option that you have, let's go back, I can create our own groups. This means that, for example, as you can see over here, I have created my own group. Like I have 4 different classes, so I can create 4 different groups, and I can put them to this group, and I can start to ask them any conversation and any discussion related to whatever as a topic that I'm introducing to them. For example, if I want to say, hey, we are going to talk about coronavirus, and here is the topic, come and join and say your thought. And the thing is, each group, each course, and anything that you create on Schoology can be used as can separately be shared with anyone in order to join. So it doesn't matter if someone is joining only in one group or if someone is joining only in one course. It's so much flexibility for having your course for your group for online collaboration, and ask the people to join by giving them the access code. The last part that I'm going to introduce you is that the implementation or the other applications that can be added or can be integrated into the Schoology. For example, probably you have heard about Nearpod, which is one of the most famous presentations that they can be used for you, like just by adding Nearpod into your Schoology. So you have the access to integrate Nearpod into your Schoology, like back-channel chat, or this is some of them that I have added, but there are a lot of those implementations or integrations that you can use and you can add to your Schoology. Okay, that's all for this introduction video, and hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.